Sama po kayo sa amin at para ma-enjoy nyo rin ang place na to, okay? Isishare ko rin po sa inyo. At yung asawa ko dyan, nagre-reserve para sa dinner ko tomorrow na ako lang mag-isa kasi ayaw niya sa teppanyaki. Okay? Kasi ayaw niya po ng seafood, so bukas ako lang po mag-isa. So ngayon po magdi-dinner kami, dalawa kami magkakasama. Dito po kami sa taas lang po yung restaurant nito, okay? So ayan po, umu-order na naman po yung aking asawa ng kanyang drinks before pupunta kami ng restaurant before kami mag-dinner. So ayan, medyo walang gaanong tao ngayon siguro nandoon sa show, nanonood siguro yung iba. At ito po yung aming concierge dito. Ayan po. So, very quiet po ang lugar na to. Kasi ano na po 6 o'clock na. So, yung iba ay nasa show na, nanonood na po sila. Kasi maraming mga kaganapan po rito. Okay? At hindi pa rin, nandoon pa rin po yung asawa ko. Umu-order ng kanyang favorite vodka with Diet Coke. So, yun po talaga ang kanyang favorite na drinks. Okay. Ayan, nag-enjoy yung asawa ko na sa pakikipagkwentuhan. Exclusive bar din po yan para sa Heaven guys. So ayan, ang labi na kami sa restaurant. Kwento na naman po. Okay, don't ask. Ayan, kung nakikita niyo po yung sign dito. Okay. At yung ano po rito, nagbabantay dyan sa harap ay Filipino po.
I had to rob a bank to do this.
Yeah?
Oh, ayan.
Hi!
I'm doing my vlog. So
You're on
guys,
social media.
ayan po, yan yung aking kababayan na taga Surigao.
Yes.
Ayan, kaya nag-enjoy po ako rito dahil maraming mga masarap na pagkain dito. So ayan po, ito po yung aming view rito kapag kumakain po kami ng dinner. At ito po yung place, ayan. At ang aking asawa, namimili na po siya ng kanyang o-orderin. So, very relaxing yung view po rito. At ayan, paalis na po kami ng Puerto Vallarta. So, ayan, babay na po dyan sa lugar na yan. At nagutom po ako sa aking excursion kanina. Hindi po ako nag-lunch, pero may mga snack naman po ako. Okay. So what is your planning to get, Han?
The lamb.
The lamb? You like the lamb?
Oh yeah, I like the lamb.
I thought you don't like it.
No lamb.
Okay. Good for you. So, ayun guys, nakapag-decide na ako ng aking o-orderin. Ahi tuna, tartar, tataki, and then I think I'm going to order prime rib again. So, I want to enjoy my dinner for tonight kasi nagutom po ako dahil sa aking excursion for today. So, ayun guys, meron akong tuna tataki. Okay, so
And see if we can coordinate Jimmy to meet us for the hotel. Same hotel we were in before.
Okay.
We're familiar with it.
Yan, I'm going to try this. You want to try? So, ayan
did that
guys,
last night. That was
ototo na. Yan.
That's good.
So, masarap po to. Natikman ko na to kagabi. Inulit ko lang. It's good. Little bit spicy. Kasi,
Little bit.
yeah, little bit spicy. Kasi marami siyang paminta na halo. Okay. So, this is my starter. So, ayan guys, yung aking order. At yung order ng aking abi ay lamb. So, sana magustuhan niyang kanyang ulam. Kasi masyado siyang picky. At yung akin ay sigurado magustuhan ko.
Am I supposed to eat all this?
Right, fine.
Yan,
Sour cream, guys.
sour cream.
Maalat pa kita ini dai. Maganda?
Hindi, okay na yan. And then cheese.
Cheese, you want cheese?
Ay,
Chives,
wala ba?
bacon. One cheese.
Oh, sige.
Cheese, have cheese there?
Sige, try ko yan.
Bacon. Mukha pa ng cheese there, ha?
Okay.
Cheese, put the cheese on this thing.
Cheese din siya. Okay, yan. Okay na, thank you. Oo.
We're getting us some more.
Okay, tama na. So, ayun guys, yan ang resulta pag busog na. Pagod na. So, ayan. Tapos na po kaming kumain. Uwi na kami sa aming show ngayon. Merong... What kind of show, Han? We were looking for? Ha?
Illusion.
Oh, illusion. So, yun po yung aming panoorin. It's about magic. Ganon. So, kita-kits tayo. Okay. At ito na po ang epekto, side effect, dahil ang aking hobby ay Freaky again. Fall again. Oh my God.
13. Yeah, next round.
So, yun guys, ang aming panoorin ngayon. Yan, isang magandang magic. Tinatawag ay illusionist. Oh, international illusionist. Okay. At ang aking hobby ay excited nang manood. Ayan.
I can make my wife disappear. I'll push her off the side of the ship for doing all this stuff.
Guys, kaya daw niya akong i-magic. Okay. Invisible. Gawin niya akong invisible. So, magaling siyang magician. Okay. So, you want to be a magician? No. So, ayan guys, isang napaka-excited na show ang aming aabangan ngayong gabi. Hindi yata ito kasing galing ng mga nasa Vegas na napapanood namin yung original na illusionist. Okay, so... So, yun lang guys at abangan nyo uli, okay? Pag nag-start na.
Which is funny, because usually people applaud when I do that. Listen, I know it's been a long year and a half. It's been a lot of Netflix at home. We forgot how live entertainment works. I'm working here, people. The reason this is called a slip knot is because if I wanted to, I could slip it from here to here. Or I could slip it from there all the way down here, but it doesn't matter. Wherever I untie the rope, I get 2 pieces. Thank you. I was, however, hoping they would be... Right on, right.
Finally, natapos na rin ang show at nakauwi na kami dito sa aming room. Masaya naman. Are you... what?
Now.
Did you enjoy the show?
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's amazing, right?
Yes.
Very unique and...
Better than I can do.
better than I can do. Yeah. Para din silang mga, parang talagang professional, ano na yung sinilya. Parang professional illusion. So, talagang nakakamangha yung ginawa niya. Lalo na yung, isa sa mga part na favorite ko ay yung, what is the part that you like?
All of it.
All of that?
You sleeping.
Totoo po yun, nakatulog po talaga ako. Aywan ko, hindi ko mapigilan yung aking mata. Tapos, ang nakakatuwa po doon, nung nagpalakpakan na po, bigla akong nagising at pumalakpak ako. Tawa ng atawa po yung asawa ko kasi sabi niya, bakit ka pumalakpak? Alam mo ba yung pinapanood mo? So, nakakatuwa po. Nakakatuwa. Ayan. So, sana, guys, nag-enjoy rin po kayo sa video ko na to. At, ayan. Tomorrow again, abangan nyo po ang aking susunod